Rosemary oil or rosemary water? A lot of people nowadays are talking about how rosemary oil can improve hair growth or rosemary water can improve their hair luster, shine, length, density, whatnot. I'm sure in your Instagram feeds, in your YouTube shorts, you must be getting a lot of information regarding people having rosemary water schedule, rosemary oil routine so that they have a good hair. People have even compared this with minoxidil, which is a FDA approved medicine for male and female pattern hair loss. So what exactly should we understand about rosemary oil and rosemary water, and what should be our take-home message about it? Let us discuss today. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon and you are watching Saraswat Hospital YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel if you want to know more about such educational videos. So what is rosemary? Rosemary is a herb which is grown mainly in the Mediterranean. So as we know, in making a lot of Mediterranean dishes which are relished by all of us, we use a lot of basil, oregano, sage, rosemary. So likewise, rosemary is something which is used in their daily kitchens. Here in India, we can grow rosemary. It needs a lot of sunlight all through the day and it is grown outdoors. It cannot be grown indoors or in small pots. Rather, it needs a lot of sunlight outside. So with time, you can grow rosemary. You find it here maybe in good grocery shops also, but it's not so readily available in India. And what is the good thing about it? As in other herbs, it contains certain active oils which help in certain ways. So taking advantage of these characteristics of these oils which are present in rosemary, which are carnosic acid and carnazole. So this rosemary oil as well as rosemary water is now used by people when they came to know that it is useful for hair growth. As in Mediterranean region, they use a lot of these rosemary leaves and oils and they get good hair. So people thought maybe it's useful and they actually saw the results in one of the studies. There was a study done in 2015 in which 50 people were given rosemary extract to apply and other 50 people were given minoxidil to apply. And after 3 months, they saw no basic difference in hair growth or density whatsoever. But after 6 months, they saw better results in both the sets of patients. So they concluded that rosemary may be as effective as minoxidil in hair growth and increasing hair density and luster. But there were certain drawbacks to it, as you can very well understand that even minoxidil gives results in 3 to 4 months, it starts giving. But at the end of 6 months, if something is being applied and is giving result, then as the rosemary was applied, some massage was there. Please hit the like button. And now let us understand what is the important factor in rosemary which helps us. So rosemary has carnosic acid and carnazole as active compounds which have 3 main properties. Some anti-inflammatory property, antioxidant property and some antimicrobial property. So it has such good antioxidant property that it is used in various skin emulsions and formulations also for like barrier repair cream or along with vitamin C solution, so that it gives glow effect to the skin and it reduces the aging on skin. When it is used in the hair, the blood flow to the hair is also improved. The dandruff and itching in the hair is also improved because of the antimicrobial property, and certain growth boosters are there so that we have good hair. Having said that, rosemary can be compared to other home remedies also, which can be used for better hair. So as we just now discussed, comparison with minoxidil was done in just one of the studies and there has been no such references later on, and thus we can safely conclude minoxidil is something which is therapeutic. It is US FDA approved for male male and female pattern hair loss. And rosemary is a kind of home remedy which we can use at home at our own free wish. And if it suits us, then there should be no major side effects to it and you can carry on very well with it. If you have any more questions regarding rosemary, you can always write in the comment section below. We'll be happy to help. So on social media, you can find a lot of feed on how to make rosemary water at home. People will tell you boil rosemary twigs in water for 15 to 20 minutes, not less than that. And then you can cool it down, filter it and use it as a spray on the scalp before washing or before going to bed and so on. Then you can also understand that there are essential oils of rosemary available in the market. So these oils are much more stronger than the rosemary water. So we have to use them with caution. So you have to do a patch test first so that you know that you are not allergic to it. And besides, you do not have to apply a lot of it. Just 3 to 5 drops in your regular oil, or you can use it with your shampoo, or you can use it with a little water or little different kind of coconut or jojoba oil so that you can put on your scalp before wash or after wash as you want it to be. This can give you a slow and steady effect of rosemary if it suits you. So that way you won't be afraid of any side effects like itching or redness, or putting more oil and then inviting more microbes would not be there. Because as we all know, the scalp has a lot of dead skin and some microbes and even fungus also. So if you coat a lot of oil to it, it is not going to help you. So I do say that always apply oil before wash, but do not keep it lingering on. Use a good shampoo to wash it off. So by the way, you can use rosemary oil with your home shampoos also. If you need any more consultation for this, you can call us on the numbers below and we can have a chat. So what should I know before I use rosemary oil? It should not get into my eyes. I should not use it too much on the scalp. And how much is too much? Something which is more than 3 to 5 drops per sitting or per application, and something which irritates me is too much. And because there has not been much tests about rosemary oil being used on pregnant and breastfeeding mothers, we should refrain from using at those times. If you want to know more about home remedies regarding your hair and you want to have good hair with home remedies only, do click on the video above. Let us just sum up so that what take-home message you have. So just like other herbal home remedies, rosemary is a home remedy for your hair. If it suits you, it is easy to use with no side effects and with good results also in many cases. Moreover, when you massage the oil on your scalp, or even if you use rosemary water, the massaging will help you in whatever way it can, even if you're not using rosemary. So the massaging also helps along with the oil. Then it is very early to say that you can replace minoxidil with rosemary oil. We need more studies on that before we take that step. Do share this video with your family and friends who are seeking more information regarding rosemary oil and water. If you want to know more about what 5 mistakes you should avoid in hair transplant, please click the video on the left. And regarding hair loss treatments for men, click the video on the right. Thank you.